sky. Children laugh and dance as the moments pass by. Adults gather around for their sweet recreation. Drums in the distance, joy in every nation. Animals roaming, creatures of the night, all rejoicing gently in your silver light. No lamps, no wine, no artificial glow, just the moon above guiding every step we know. Cool and elegant, soft like a mother's song. You light up the path as we move along. African moonlight, oh, you rule the night, conquering the darkness with your gentle mind. Shining over mountains, rivers in your sight. Oh, we praise you, African moonlight. African moonlight, keep us cool and bright, touching every heartbeat, dancing through the night. Oh, we praise you, African moonlight. Gather where the fire burns low, stories of the elders and the soft night glow. Footprints sparkle on the golden sand as the breeze whispers secrets across the land. Hope in the rhythm